talk about lifestyle medicine, it's a new area of preventive medicine, which actually tells us that about 80% of all the chronic diseases, it could be diabetes, it could be heart disease, it could be obesity, can be actually prevented and even reversed by simple changes in diet, exercise, and effective stress management. And the older rule where we used to talk about your genes were a kind of a frozen sculpture that you are blessed or cursed with them is changing very quickly. And this is exactly in line with what Ayurveda has actually talked about. When we talk about this term as personalized medicine, the personalized medicine is a new area which actually identifies the genetic and metabolic differences that different people may have between different individuals. Ayurveda has been talking about Vata, Pitta and Kapha body types for ages together, and then prescribe a specific set of lifestyle changes, food, herbs, maybe detoxifications, stress management programs, everything based upon very, very simple Ayurvedic lifestyle recommendation. And they are so powerful that the whole science of epigenetics, which simply means that what you do around your environment, how they affect and reprogram your genes, is exactly what the message of the lifestyle medicine, the personalized medicine, and nutrigenomics is going to be. Nutrigenomics is also a very interesting concept that is commonly talked about in modern medicine. The field of nutrigenomics actually studies how the food or nutrients can influence the expression of your genes in the body. And so, selecting the right kind of principles of diet, lifestyle, and behavior, we will see a lot of scientific verification of how your doshas affect the gene expression. When we talk about Vata, Pitta, and Kapha body type, they are exactly affecting the way your genes are expressed and your physiological functioning is happening. So it was an old notion that if you are supposed to have diabetes as a family history, if you're supposed to have a heart disease as a family history, you are destined to have it. But if you really go back to the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, it actually tells us that if you're a Pitta type, if you follow an anti-inflammatory diet, if you're eating bitter foods, if you're eating sweet and astringent taste more, if you are eating cooling foods, you can actually cool down those changes of inflammation and prevent those diseases way before they happen. And this is the true message of preventive medicine. Ayurveda, even though as ancient as we talk about, is actually a cutting-edge science. And the complexity of this science, which expands the whole sphere of life, is even more interesting. Because it's not talking to people, but it's individualizing and understanding their life, understanding their upbringing, understanding their life situations, understanding environment, and guiding them accordingly is actually the new age medicine that is emerging. And Ayurveda is a perfect template to create that kind of a structure of a truly natural medicine, which is individualized and personalized and lifestyle medicine.